Submarine.
This is Bhimili beach located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. You'll find so many activities here: swimming and sunbathing, water sports, beach volleyball and games you'll find, even trekking and hiking. You can explore the nearby hills and forests. Yeah, this is very beautiful beach that you'll find in Andhra Pradesh. There are so many beaches, but this is also one of the best among all the beaches that I've visited so far. I like swimming in water so much. I know also how to swim. This is Matuk Katu waterfalls. Very beautiful. The water falls from 30 feet high and it's surrounded by green trees. It's a great place to visit and enjoy the nature. You can come and visit here also. Wow, these are the caves, natural caves. They look amazing.
Oh man, this is a good tree.
These steps are cleverly built between the trees and stones and are really well structured, you'll find.
Yeah, summer. Water is drying up. This is the water I'm talking about.
Finally the spot.
See people are taking part.
Check out this stunning spot. See, people are cooling off and refreshing themselves here. They're taking part in this cold water. We still can climb up.
This is my friend. Look at the views. Beautiful views. Tribal area.
We also visited this COTR, theological seminary. It was during their summer break. It's a beautiful place and a huge compound as well. Yeah, there were no students. Absolutely a good building and the classrooms. Check out this beautiful place, and I should say it's impressive infrastructure. I mean, it was quiet during our visit since there were no students or teachers around, because we visited during the summer break. Plus it was drizzling a bit, raining, not much.
Okay. You have two different chapel. Telugu and then English.
I have heard that this place has a large number of students from the northeastern India,
What is your name and your
particularly from Nagaland. There are so many Naga students here. I have my friends, just recently they've graduated, and still there are some Nagas who are studying here. So this is all about COTR.
worship center?
Now let me show you another beautiful beach. Let's explore together.
COTR campus. Very clean.
So guys, this is the beach I'm talking about. This is Arcade Beach, also known as Ramakrishna Beach. It's a very beautiful place. This is also under Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. The beach is very famous. Calm waters and beautiful sunrises and sunsets. It's a very popular spot for swimming, sunbathing and relaxation. Any tourist can come and visit this beautiful place. Look at those birds, beautiful birds. The water at this Arcade Beach flows very gently with calm and peaceful waves. You will find even a beautiful mermaid statue here. They look beautiful and eye-catching. Thank you guys for supporting me.